bad. Good.
Hey guys, so quick update. As you can see, my hair looks completely different from when I left this camera and told you guys that I was going to sleep. So I took the Bantu knots out because two reasons. One of the reasons is because I noticed that when I took it down just to test it and see how it would look, I had like a straight piece like right in the middle of the twist, so I took it down for that reason. Another reason is I usually do my twist like this. For some reason I didn't do it the other night and I don't know why, but I do them like this so they can be, what's the word, is it elongated? I don't know, but so they can have some length. I usually do twist my hair just like this, and I would put it in a ponytail just so it can make it a bit more longer. And like I said, for some reason I don't know why I didn't do that this time, but I just came home today. I re-wet my hair. I used the same coconut curling, I think that's what it's called, the curling cream, and I'm about to blow dry it because my plans are to take the twist out tomorrow when I wake up, and you guys will see that. But I plan to take them out and you guys will see how this comes out. So here's a close-up of what they look like. I still have a little bit of product in there, but I just finger twisted the ends. And yeah, we will see how this all turns out tomorrow. I'm sleepy. Good night. See y'all. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. It's gonna get bigger as the days go by, but you can tell it's really defined right now. Last night when I did retwist just the front only, I did go ahead and blow dry it because it usually takes my hair about 2 days to dry. Now usually when I'm doing a twist out, I will, you know, do it. Like I said, it takes 2 days to dry, so I would like put on a wig or something over it, and then, you know, as soon as I get home from work, I'll take it off so my hair can air dry. So because I didn't have 2 days this time, well, I really did, but I messed it up and I redid the front last night. I went ahead and went over it with a blow dryer just so it could be dry for this morning. But I'm really loving this look. This is my twist out. I love how it came out. I'm gonna do my edges. Y'all, I'm running so late for work. I need to hurry up. But I hope you guys love it. All right, so I went ahead and just added some EcoCell gel here. When I go to sleep, I think I will actually film me putting it in a pineapple, but I'll just pull everything up to the front and put it in like this really loose band so it can stay up at the top. And then in the morning I will take it off, shake my hair, and I'll be good to go. I actually do also think that I want to show you guys how big it gets, so keep watching. Change locations. I'm at my grandparents' house for tonight, but I just wanted to show you guys what I do to my hair at night. It's up in a really loose ponytail kind of thing. Just gonna put my scarf and my bonnet on and go to sleep. But this is what it looks like. I just have a headband wrapped around here like a ponytail. Good night, guys. What it looks like now, it's definitely gotten a lot more frizz.